Hi guys, welcome back to Angry Austin Gaming. In this video, I'll be showing you how to quickly set up a free merch store using StreamElements. If you are streaming or have a YouTube channel, then you definitely want to have merch available to those viewers. You never know who's going to want to buy that merch to support your content. The best thing about using StreamElements is it's 100% free, super easy to use. Also, any merch you sell on there is basically free marketing. So here we have the StreamElements merch hub, and all you'll have to do is upload a design or a logo, and it'll automatically generate 5 items for you, which are going to be a mouse pad, a sticker, a mug, a t-shirt, and a hoodie. In about 10 minutes, you can have a personalized merch store with all of these items on it, ready to sell. So the other nice thing about StreamElements is they're going to give you some promotional content for free. If you go up here to promote, you're going to see that you have a merch command, merch chat timer, merch panel, which is really nice to use. You can customize colors on it. You can grab one of these, or you can do a horizontal one. You can put that in your Twitch or your Mixer account just so people have an easy way of getting to your merch store. You can also generate an alert that will actually pop up during your stream if anybody buys one of your items. So StreamElements here has just created a really great website that's super easy to use and intuitive for any content creator to just easily set up a merch store where they can start selling some merch and getting some free marketing. I'm also extremely surprised at how high quality these items are. I did order a bundle that included all of the items that you can see here, and that's what I'll show you next is, I'll show you up close how great these items actually are. So really quick, I'll go over the quality of these items that you'll get when you purchase them from your merch store. So I ordered the bundle, like I said, it comes with all 5 items. So I actually have the t-shirt on right now, so I'll back up really quick so you can see that. So, like I said, these items are really great quality. I wasn't honestly expecting them to be as nice as they were. The cotton and everything for the t-shirt and the hoodie are extremely soft. They're not that, cheap t-shirt material that you get where it's kind of scratchy. So the other item I did get here, like I said, is going to be the hoodie. So I'll show that to you guys really quick here. So the nice thing too about StreamElements is you don't just have the one option of the black for the t-shirt or the gray for the hoodie. You're also going to be able to set up multiple color options. So I think it's like 4 or 5 options you can set up. So it's just really nice for your viewers that they can choose between, multiple colors for these items. So they're not just stuck with, getting a black t-shirt or something really simple like that. The other items that you're going to get are going to be, the mug here, which again, you can set up any design you want. I chose to go with a logo on mine personally. And then the other item is going to be Mousepad, which is actually a really thick, durable mousepad. Been using it for a couple months now, and it still looks brand new. It's just great quality that you're getting from StreamElements. The only item I can't show you is the sticker, because I currently have that actually on the top. If you can see that white area on top of my mic here, that's actually the sticker. I put it right there on the mic. But again, the sticker, great quality. It's been on there for a couple months. It's holding up great, and it hasn't lost its color or anything. It looks fantastic. So I would definitely recommend taking the time to quickly set up a merch store from StreamElements and start selling some merch. If you have any questions at all about setting up your merch store, please comment down below and I'll try to get back to you as quick as possible. Also, I'm live on Twitch every Sunday, Monday, and Friday at around 7 p.m. so you can drop by my chat and ask me any questions over there.